Hola amigos. Hello friends. Today we are learning the letters of the Spanish alphabet and their pronunciations. Did you know Spanish uses the same alphabet as English plus a special letter called NA? It pronounced like the NY in Kenya or Kenyan. It's a symbol of Spanish identity and it even has its own holiday in Spain. Ahora vamos. Now let's go through them one by one. Repeat after me. Repite conmigo. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Muy bien. Very well. You have just learned the Spanish alphabet. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Hasta luego.